Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to work with two worksheets I gave you. They are called Practice the Tenses and Practice the Tenses Solutions. If you don't have these worksheets, please do let me know and I will email them to you. Why should you work with these sheets? When you learn a language, obviously, you know this, it's very important not just to understand what you have to do, but also to practice. It's very similar to learning to play basketball or to learning to playing the piano or something like that. First, you have to understand, but then the main part of work is practicing. And you should always do this practice orally. You should speak, not write, because writing takes far too long. Please do it orally. Please form sentences speaking. Form them in your head, or if it's okay, if you're in a situation where that is okay, please speak them. Here are the sheets you got. Now this is the first one, practice the tenses. First of all, please do not write on this sheet because in order to use it as a practice sheet, you should really have all these empty spaces to fill in all the time, again and again. So please don't write on it. Just use it as a practice sheet or make photocopies of it. How does it work? You have 4 columns which tell you what kind of sentence to form. Form a statement, form a yes/no question, a question with a negative word, or a negative sentence, negative statement. On the left-hand side, you have 9 tenses, which are the most frequently used tenses. I'm not going to go through them. And you obviously, this table asks you to randomly choose a space, a box. So you could just choose this one here. And it would ask you to form a question with a question word, what, how, when, why, who, in the past perfect. Okay, so that might be what had he done before you met him, or where had she lived before she moved to London. Okay, so you need to have the past going along with the past perfect. Another example, let's have a yes/no question in the simple past. Okay, so what you do is you make a yes/no question, a question which can only be answered by yes or no in the simple past, such as did she answer your letter? Did you go to London last year? Or something like that. Okay. Obviously, you can ask somebody to do this for you. They can just give you 2 numbers between 1 and 9 and 1 and 4. So you could just ask your mom or dad or sister or brother or whatever to give you these 2 numbers, and they will say 3 and 4, and then you would have 3 and 4. And that would mean you were trying to form a sentence which is a negative statement in the simple present, which would be he doesn't live here, for instance. This is how you use the sheet, and then you have, of course, the next sheet, the second one with the solutions, and also it's pretty self-explanatory. You can see how it works, and you find examples of every tense and of every kind of sentence. Now, very importantly, if there is any box that you can't fill in, you're not sure why it's filled in like that, and you don't understand it, please mark it. Please make sure you ask. Please make sure you call me, send me an email, or talk about it in class, and we'll find out how it works. And then, when you've understood it, remember to practice it. That's all for today. I hope this was a little helpful, and enjoy and have fun working with these sheets. See you. Bye bye.